guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing sort of a neutral look. I'm just going to go ahead and start. So first things first, I'm going to prime my eyelids. So about a year ago, I started having these problems with my eyelids where they started getting really red and they started peeling. And when I went to the dermatologist, they basically told me that I developed eyelid eczema. Basically, I have this reaction to something and it causes my eyelids to get red and to get all nasty. So they were like, you have to stop wearing makeup. And obviously I didn't do that. Basically, my eyelids, they react weird to some of the makeup products. I don't know. I'm supposed to see a dermatologist. So anyways, that's why they be looking so weird today. I'm going to be using the Nubian palette, the second one I guess, by Juvia's place. The first color I'm going to go into is Morocco. So I'm going to go ahead and use my e.l.f. contour brush again. Dip it into Morocco and just kind of go in the crease real quick on both eyes. So I'm going to go in with that Nefertiti color and I'm going to put that all over the eyelid. I'm going to go back in with the e.l.f. contour brush and just go ahead and go back into Morocco and darken this crease color. Now that this is done, I'm gonna go ahead and use the e.l.f. 202 and dip this into, I think I'm gonna use Kenya, and just put that in the outer V. And I'm going to blend this color out with the same e.l.f. contour brush. So I don't know how much you guys know about makeup, but if you don't know that much, the darkest color usually goes in the outer V because it's basically like you're contouring your eye. So the crease is usually the second darkest color, usually, not always, but basically the crease color is going to be the second darkest because that's where your eyelid naturally folds, so you just darken that up. And then when you put it on your outer V, it basically just adds more dimension to your eye. And then just kind of pushed it towards the color Morocco. I'm going to go back in with Nefertiti and put this on the center and kind of make it go upward into the inner corner. And then go back in with whatever's left on the e.l.f. contour brush just to kind of blend it out. And lastly, I'm going to go back in with Morocco and put that in the crease just to really blend it. Okay, now that it's a mess, we're going to go with our Fenty Beauty foundation. And again, my shade number is 240. And I just kind of, okay, this looks super not my color, but I promise it is because it oxidizes. The lighting here is not the best, but I promise it's my color. So I just honestly paint it all over. And then I use my beauty blender to make sure that it's blended really nicely. The reason why I do eyeshadow first and then my foundation, I go do no ASMR, hold up. The reason why I usually do my foundation after I do my eyeshadows is because I like to use my foundation to kind of mark the guideline that I'm going to do my eyeliner, that I'm going to use to put on my eyeliner. So now that that's that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna do a thick eyeliner today. I think I'm just gonna stick with just tight lining. So I'm gonna use the Revlon Colorstay in black, obviously, and go ahead and tight line my eye. I'm actually gonna go ahead and align my eye. I'm gonna use the Tarte Clay Pot eyeliner, but I'm gonna try and do as thin of a line as possible. The thing that sucks is that I don't know how to do thin lines on my eye. I usually end up like, but we're gonna try it. Okay, obviously, as you can see, the thin line didn't go so well. It just thickened, but I'm kind of liking it. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC30. And I'm gonna go back with just the regular foundation brush that I use. Wow, okay, that looks like super light in this light. I was supposed to film a lot earlier when there was still like natural light outside, and that would have helped a lot, but instead I took a nap. I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder and put that under my eye. Wow. Okay, and on my chin and basically like my T-zone, that's where I'm gonna put that. Yeah, that's done. I'm gonna go ahead and put some bronzer on. I still don't really know how I feel about this palette. It's like, I always feel like I look really dirty when I put it on, but it's all we got right now, so we're gonna go with it. So I'm using the, I don't even know what, it's the contour shade. Why is that, whatever. The contour shade in the Cali contour palette. Oh, and I'm using the Face Secrets brush. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. And I'm going to use L'Oreal Brow Stylist Frame and Set in 215 Deep Brunette. So now I'm going to use the Falsies mascara. Okay, so while that's going, I'm going to go ahead and wipe off what I have under my eyes. I'm going to go in with some eyeshadows for under my eye. So first of all, I'm going to put a little bit of Morocco in like the middle. And then I'm going to go ahead and use Kenya in the outer part. Okay, so now that that's kind of done, I'm going to use my foundation brush. And I'm just going to make sure that I really have this crisp line of where my eyeliner is. I just really like making sure that's super sharp. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the Nefertiti in the inner part. I'm going to go back in with the Falsies mascara. Now for blush and highlight, what I've been using is the Morphe James Charles palette. So I saw him do this in a video and I actually really liked the way it looked. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. highlighting brush and dip that into face. as the highlighting color. Then I'm going to dip with my Revlon brush into Literally. Now I'm going to do my lips real quick. Okay, so right now I want to use the color Whirl by MAC, and I can't find the Whirl lip liner that I have. I don't really feel like looking for it, so I'm going to use Mahogany, which is not sharpened. I couldn't find my sharpener, but I found Whirl and it's sharpened enough, so we're going to use this one. Okay, so I know that lip liner is not supposed to be for your whole lip, but I find that it just really helps keep the lipstick on all day. So I usually line my whole lip with that, and then I go in with my lipstick after. Alrighty. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my hair and show y'all the final look. Alright guys, I'm literally on my bed because I didn't feel like putting this back on where it's supposed to be. The point is, this is a finished look. I know the lighting was kind of off. I'm still trying to figure out where I want to film all these videos. So anyways, go ahead and like, subscribe, put the little notification bell on, and hopefully y'all will like the next video I have planned. So yeah, bye!